Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to our channel. If you're new, you guys, we're gonna make this candy into popsicles. Yep, candy popsicles. They're gonna be so delicious. Please give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new to our channel, make sure that you guys subscribe. Also, please check out the link below to our Patreon page. If you guys sign up and all that fun stuff, we will be entering you guys into a rewards program. It'll be so awesome. So what I'm doing here is I'm filling up these popsicle thingies, molds I guess I should say, not thingies, with some delicious candy. And I am curious to see what kind of popsicles we can make with this candy. And I thought for sure this would work because, you know, you look on Pinterest, you look at these delicious popsicle ideas, and they all just look perfect. So really, what could go wrong? Candy. I'm gonna have some 7-Up that I pour in there, and it's gonna be an amazing frozen treat, right? Well, that's what I thought, so make sure you guys watch the very end of this video because it definitely does not turn out the way that I thought. So yeah, keep watching. Does anybody else love these strawberry marshmallows as much as I do? I was super excited about turning those into a popsicle just to see what would happen. And of course, bubblegum. You all know, I'm sure you've all tried maybe bubblegum ice cream. I thought this would be a pretty good idea, but I don't know. Will it be? It's hard to say. And of course, the classic cotton candy popsicle. Can't go wrong with cotton candy, you guys. So just shove some cotton candy in there. And next step, you guys, is pouring the pop in the mold. And yum, look at all that candy. I am so excited. Ah, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. What's your favorite candy that you guys see here? Make sure that you guys comment below. I don't know, I don't even know if I could pick one. They're all so yummy. So here I go, pouring the 7-Up in the candy mold, and this is kind of the fun part because you can sort of see what happens with the candy. Some of it really bubbles up, and some of it, like the cotton candy, obviously dissolves right away. So you just want to make sure because you don't want it to obviously bubble over. And I was super intrigued by all these different ones with the marshmallows and the bubblegum. Yeah, it's lots of fun, and I'm obviously dying to know what happens once they come out of that freezer. Alright, you guys, and this is after the freezer, so you tell me, is this what they're supposed to look like? I don't know. I'm a little bit sad. They sort of like overflowed. Is that what happens when you do popsicles and pop? I've never actually made popsicles with pop before, so I don't know if that was just the fact that they were too full. Was it the pop? Were they, I don't know, in the freezer too long? And look at this. It just comes right out. I'm so sad. Let me know what you guys think if you've ever made popsicles with pop. So I'm just going to sort of chisel away all this excess, obviously delicious stuff. But still, I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to try to pop them out and actually see what these popsicles look like. Alright, so let's try checking out this one. Can you guys even tell which one that is by now? That is the mini Starburst. I feel like the fact that this came out in one piece, as in like still looks like a popsicle, I feel like this is a big success because you're going to see later on that some of them don't even do that. And I did, of course, take a bite out of each of them, and that one was good. The texture obviously is a little bit different once it's been soaking in the pop and, you know, frozen stuff, but still pretty good. This one I am also pretty happy with. You can actually tell that they are peach fuzzies, and just to warn you, those peach fuzzies get really hard frozen, so that bite, even though it looks like a pretty good bite, that was actually really hard to get chewed through. But I don't know, some kids might enjoy that. They are pretty tasty. Obviously, you can't really go wrong with peach fuzzies. All right, let's see what one. Oh, I'm having trouble pulling these out. Let's see. Oh my god, here they all go. Ugh, look at the Skittles one, you guys. So gross. See how it just broke apart? And that one is the lifesaver one. This is where I was thinking, okay, this is a complete fail. Look at that. It just falls apart. Of course I'm going to try it. So good. I'm which is obviously pure lifesavers that are hard, but not happy that this just sort of kind of plopped out and just completely broke in half. So that I definitely would say is a fail. I do not recommend lifesavers for Popsicles. Here I am taking out the marshmallow one. Now I think this one kind of looks the coolest. I think that's really neat how the color, you know, of the marshmallow sort of seeped out, and this is good. But you guys, I took a bite of it, and I mean, I like these marshmallows, but I took a bite of it and it was so gross. Like, I don't know why frozen marshmallows, something about that was just not good. Or maybe the fact that a popsicle is supposed to be hard and the marshmallow was soft. Not really sure why I took 2 bites. I think I was like kind of confused by the idea of it was, I don't know, it was just really messed up. I would almost say just try it, just to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, it was kind of gross. I don't know if I would ever do that again. This is the cotton candy one. It's pretty tasty. It doesn't really taste like cotton candy, I thought, but it obviously still holds its shape and of course works. So I don't know, I guess that's okay. It doesn't really look super awesome though, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, what do you guys think? I give this 2 thumbs down for making these candy popsicles. Some of them may have been pretty good, but overall I probably would not do this again and would consider this an epic fail. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.